Is that good, Bobby?
Yeah, because she's so big. He's just like, oh my god, what the heck is that?
Aw. That went good. Aw. That's normal, right?
Yeah, whenever you're kind of nervous about something, you back away, right?
Okay, that could be my bed.
That could be your bed. I wouldn't lay in that. That's kind of stinky.
Aw. So just kind of let them play now?
Yeah, just gonna see, let them interact a little bit. They might not play. He's gonna do
Okay,
a lot
Maria,
of
look out. Let
sniffing.
him.
It's not a him, it's a her.
Hi, Maximus. Like those gloves?
He's so puppy. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's okay. Calm.
Molly.
Calm. Sarah, come on back over here.
It's okay now.
Okay,
Maximus.
there's lots of new. No. Because you're gonna scare him if you bark. Maximus. Yeah.
Bobby.
Let's sit, Maximus.
Bobby. Bobby.